Hi everyone, this is Kathy Grosskirch with Bookkeeping Clean and Simple, and this is the third video in my series on the path to ProAdvisor using QuickBooks Online Accountant. And today's video is understanding your benefits under the QBOA portal. And as you can see right now, I am on the Team tab with the Certifications tab open. And remember last time we talked about how each of your team members, you can view what certifications they have, and you can see the expiration dates, primarily when we're talking about certifications for QuickBooks Online and the advanced level QuickBooks Online. You can see those here. And I'm going to talk about how these play into our ProAdvisor benefits. So with that said, I'm going to show you that from here you can actually go into the benefits area from here, but I've already got this tab open, so I'm going to be flipping back and forth into this tab here. So anyway, once you get into that tab, which is under the ProAdvisor tab here, you can see the benefits screen. You can see your firm ID here, which I have obscured. This is actually a sample realm that we use for training purposes. And as you can see, this sample realm has 3450 points. If you click on this link right here, it gives you a history of how many points and how those have been determined. And also you can see your points history as to how you've added or had points added or removed and that kind of thing. But when we get back to here, you can actually click on this little area right here, and this will open up this window, which explains how you rack up points for the things that you need to keep your practice thriving and helping you maximize and manage your team and everything to do with your firm right here. As you can see, you get 25 points for self-employment client subscriptions, as well as active contract payment and 1099 filing client subscriptions. You also get 50 points each for active online client subscription and active online payroll client, self-service, full service, core, or premium. And then you get 75 points each for each online advanced client subscription and each payroll elite client subscription. Now this is where the tie-in to the team comes in. Not only do you get 100 points for each certification in these areas, but you get points for each of your team members that get certified in QuickBooks Payroll, Online Desktop, and Desktop Enterprise. Now you only get 100 points for the purchase of the Desktop Premier Enterprise portion of the QBOA. So that's only if you purchase that, not your team members. But you do get credit for any certifications that they receive. Not only for that, but also for the advanced certification too. You get 200 points not only when you get advanced certified in QuickBooks Online, but also when your team members get certified, when they certify in QuickBooks Online. That's kind of a mouthful there. So I'm going to flip back to this tab. So any of these certifications that they have received, this realm has gotten points for all of that, which is good to know. So we're going to switch back to our benefits area, and we're going to close this back up. Like I said, if you click on this link here, you're going to see the points totals and how they were derived and all that. And also you'll see that there are 4 tiers. Basically everyone starting out starts on silver, and then you can move up through gold, platinum, and elite is the highest tier. And as you scroll down through here, you can see some of the benefits that are available only to elite, platinum, gold, and silver. The further you move up through the ranks, the more you get in the categories as you move up through the ranks here. One of the things that is really something that you might find good for you if you work with training clients is that they have lots of resources for training in here. If you want to continue to learn, then there's various resources for you to learn more about the capabilities of QuickBooks Online and things like that. You can also get discounts on software and services. There's also a special here for DocuSign. I'm currently signed up for the 40% off on the DocuSign plan that I have. So take some time to go through here and look and see what you have, and see how you can leverage the points and your team members to manage and move up through the ranks here. So anyway, I hope this helps you today. Y'all have a wonderful day. Take care, everyone, and we will see you very soon. Thank you for watching. I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel and share it with others. My goal is to publish at least one new video per week on QuickBooks desktop or online topics, the occasional motivational video, and a few surprises thrown in here and there. I would love to talk to you about how to help you optimize your knowledge and usage of QuickBooks desktop or online. My Calendly link is in the slide. Please use that to reach out to me to schedule a free 45-minute initial consult. I would love to talk to you about your QuickBooks desktop or online training needs. Again, have a wonderful day, and until next time, we'll see you soon. Take care.